day 6, and I just got up. Allie is sleeping still. Just gonna let her rest a bit more. But it sounds like the little guy's up, so let's go say hello. You getting in trouble already? Gonna do a headstand? Huh? Pretend like nothing's going on. Good morning. Okay. Someone comes up here exploring the laundry room. Yeah, it's the washing machine. What's in there, Link? Don't get too close, you might fall in. Watch your head. What are you doing? Something wrong? You gonna face the washing machine? No? You in there? What? Lick doors, huh? What's in there, Link? Yeah, best to leave that alone. You don't really want to crawl in there. Watch your head. Ooh, what's that? That's called a heat register. Or a vent register. Well, here we are. It's just afternoon. My hair is going crazy, and we are about to depart, going to Roanoke, Virginia today. Just visiting it to check out the town. Oh, we need to get that mirror for Lincoln too. But yeah, so wish us luck. We'll see you there. Here we are in beautiful downtown Roanoke. It's a cool city. I like cities with old architecture. And this one looks like they haven't torn down any buildings since maybe the 50s. Cool look. Don't see places like this much anymore. And there's the baby and the wife. And we're gonna go eat at, was it the Salad Factory?
Yep.
Fun times. salads at the salad factory. Allie got all variety of fruit, strawberries and raisins, apples and cheese. And I got tomatoes, carrots, pecans, shrimp, and tortilla strips of mine. And mine's balsamic vinaigrette. Hers is
honey mustard.
Honey mustard. Oh, you want honey mustard? Cool.
Yeah, really good.
And she got little ham bits on hers too, so I'm thinking these are gonna be awesome. So we just got done at the salad factory, and what do you think, hon?
That was really good.
Yeah, that's exactly what you wanted? Totally. Yeah, I had really good salad too. And Link had, you know, I think he's starting to get the idea that every restaurant serves the same kid foods, because every time he gets beans and peaches. Oh well. Moving on. So we have now made it to the top of the mountain next to Roanoke to see the Roanoke Star overlook. What? Yes, it's called Mill Mountain. And car's overheating a little bit, so we're going to be here for a little while. But also take a look at the view. Yeah, I did. I got a little bit of it in the back. Pretty cool. It's kind of surprising that they didn't actually build this little pavilion until 1995. Seeing that the star itself was built in 49. That's quite a view. So Lincoln and I are here outside looking at a little butterfly garden. Butterfly garden by the star. There's all sorts of little butterflies flying around. Maybe 4 or 5 of them. It's crazy. A couple different types too. Let's see them all. Quite a display. All right, 1,499 miles. We're stopping at an Aldi because we need food for Lincoln. And for us. We're surviving. Well, hello, family. So, Lincoln had a little bit of an adventure earlier on the back deck.
A stair outside.
Yeah.
He's got a nice little bump on his head, and his cheek is red.
And just like a Timex watch, he takes a licking, but he keeps on taking. And now he's just upset because we're preventing him from crawling away.
I think it's bedtime.
I think it's bedtime too. So we just went to the pool as a family. Allie's over there and had a lot of fun. I made the mistake of splashing her.
I wasn't in the frame, so you never got my facial expression.
Oh, Allie was a little upset when I splashed.
A little.
How upset? Show us how upset you were, Loves.
I would have dunked you if I could, and held you under.
Oh, how long?
Until you screamed.
I can't scream underwater.
Exactly. Don't splash, mommy.
Yeah, that's for future generations watching this video. All right, so we're here at Sugar Magnolias in downtown Blacksburg, and we just got a bunch of ice cream. Oh, they also have candy and chocolate and treats. And let's see what everyone got. This looks like Guy got a double peach. How is it? It's good. You good? Good. And
I got mint.
Got a mint? Chocolate chip mint?
Yep.
Chocolate
And Cindy got strawberry cheesecake and chocolate.
Cool. And
I
Ali,
got
what'd you get?
espresso chip and strawberry cheesecake, and it's really good.
All right. And I got a triple with chocolate chip, or chocolate espresso chip, lemon crunch, and black raspberry. But you know how it is, although it looks amazing.
So
You having some trouble there, hon?
Yeah, I got it.
You sure? Let me see. We're gonna see it down.
So
It's the end of the night, and Sweet Magnolias was amazing. All that ice cream was really good. We all really enjoyed our flavors. It's great creamy ice cream. Highly recommend it if you're ever in the Blacksburg, Virginia area. And yeah, so that's the end of today, and we'll have more adventures tomorrow. Talk to you soon, and have a good night.